How much is it for just one donut?
$10.94.
This thing's huge.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a sugar overload. Last bite. That was a nice little snack. You guys don't have a single rider line, right? Autobots, roll out. Who's laughing now? This isn't Mickey Mouse. I'm not scared of this ride. The line is way too long. Maybe another time. Dude, you saved my life. Thank you. Do you guys sell mozzarella sticks here?
I don't think anyone in the park does.
Almost forgot a drink. I'm looking for a Bowser backpack. Let's go. $100. Never mind. This is cool. Yeah, I'm ready. Come on. There it is. All right, thank you. I'm leaving here with something. Excuse me? Where's the ride?